Rainbow Hands!
Welcome to Rainbow Hands. Today we are going to draw 3 yellow fruits: a banana, a pineapple, and a lemon. First, let's draw a banana. Draw a long curved line like a big smile. Great! We have a banana. Next, let's draw a pineapple. Start with an oval shape in the middle. Now, let's draw the leaves on top. Draw big, pointy leaves going up. Now, let's add crisscross lines on the pineapple. It looks like a real pineapple. Now, let's draw a lemon. Draw a shape like an oval, but a little pointy on both sides. Great! That is our lemon. You did so well. Next, let's make all the lines thick and clean with a dark pen. Everything looks so neat and nice. The drawing part is done. It's coloring time. Let's make our yellow fruits bright and beautiful. Let's color the banana yellow. Nice and smooth from top to bottom. Let's color it yellow. So bright and yummy looking. Next, let's color the pineapple. Color the whole pineapple yellow. Let's color it yellow. It looks sweet and delicious. Now, let's color the leaves green. Nice green leaves on top. Now, let's color the lemon yellow. Let's color it yellow, so fresh and shiny. It looks like a sour and tasty lemon. Wow! Look at our yellow fruits. They are all so bright and beautiful. You did a wonderful job. Now, let's read the fruit names together. Banana, pineapple, lemon. Great job. Let's read them one more time. Banana, pineapple, lemon. You did amazing today. That was wonderful. Today we drew a banana, a pineapple, and a lemon. What should we draw together next time? Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to draw again with me. You did amazing today. See you in the next video. Bye-bye, friends.